Hello everybody, I am going to show you how to set a remote, and this is on a BMW 525, and you're going to go ahead and put it into status. Okay, and then next we're going to reset the codes. So underneath the mirror we're going to push these two buttons, number 1 and 3 at the same time, and hold them for 30 seconds or less, and we're going to wait until it blinks and flashes. Okay, so it has reset the code, and next what we want to do is take the remote, and you're going to press this and this button at the same time. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, and you're going to hold it until it stops blinking. There we go. So it should have took the code. So now that we've pressed this and the number 1 button, we're going to see if it works. There we go. The garage is going up and down. Let's see. Let's test it again. Okay, looks like it's working. And the garage is up. Perfect. Okay, so that's how you set your garage remote to your vehicle. And now I don't need this any longer. And now we are back in action.